Good morning, students. Today we will talk about disorders of digestive system. Before starting with our main topic, we should know that what is the meaning of disorder and is there any difference between disorder and disease. Okay, so disorder means any irregularity, or you can say the disturbance or the interruption of normal functioning. Fine, but disease is what? A particular distinctive process in the body having a specific cause and characteristic symptom. Actually these two are interchangeable terms, okay, but we can differentiate between these two terms on the basis of transmission. Fine, like disorder is not transmittable but disease is transmittable. Here we are not talking about genetic transmissions, okay. For example, common cold is a viral disease, fine, and it can be transmitted from one person to other person, fine. But if we talk about any disorder like jaundice cannot be transmitted from one person to other person, okay. So this was the difference between disease and the disorder. I'm again saying that we are not talking about genetic transmissions over here, okay. Simple transmissions की बात की है हमने, that common cold is a viral disease and it can be transmitted from person to person, but jaundice, which is a disorder, cannot be transmitted from one person to another person, okay. Now let's come to our main topic, that is what are the disorders of digestive system, okay. The first one is the inflammation of intestinal tract. This is the most common disorder, fine. And what do you mean by inflammation? When there is like pain, swelling, redness, or like you feel like jalan, fine, in the intestine, that is the inflammation of the intestinal tract. And the reason for the inflammation of intestinal tract is the any bacterial infection or the viral infection, or infections are also caused by many parasites of the intestine like tapeworm, roundworms, earth threadworms, pinworms, hookworms, etc. Fine. Second is the jaundice. The organ affected in case of jaundice is liver, and what happens during jaundice? The bile pigments, they will get deposit. Fine. As a result, the skin and eyes turn yellow. Fine. Next is the vomiting. Vomiting means the ejection of the contents of the stomach through mouth, okay. And vomiting is a reflex action. Reflex action means the automatic response, okay. So it is a reflex action which is controlled by a vomit center, and that vomit center is present in medulla oblongata, fine. And before vomiting you will feel like nausea. Nausea means what? The feeling that you are going to vomit. So feeling of nausea precedes vomiting, fine. Next is the diarrhea. In case of diarrhea, what happens? The absorption of the food will get reduced. If the food will not absorb or the absorption will be reduced, then what happens? Bowel movement will be abnormal in the body. Now what is bowel? Bowel movement is the act of defecation. So abnormal bowel movement will be there, and along with that the liquidity of the fecal discharge will also increased. मीन्स अगर फूड अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होगा तो आपकी बॉडी से वाटर का लॉस भी होने लग जाएगा, ओके. दैट इज डायरिया, एंड bowel movements or the act of defecation will also be abnormal, okay. Next is the constipation. In constipation again there will be irregular bowel movement, but here what happens, feces will be retained within the colon. Fine. Last one is the indigestion. In diarrhea what happens? In diarrhea the absorption of food reduces. However, in digestion the food is not properly digested and you will always feel like कि अब मुझे कुछ नहीं खाना है, बिकॉज पहले जो आपने फूड खाया था वही अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुआ है, सो लीडिंग टू अ फीलिंग ऑफ fullness. Fine. And the main cause of the indigestion, or you can say the causes of indigestion, are like inadequate enzyme secretion or anxiety. Fine. Anxiety means any stress, any tension, or your strong desire to do anything. Fine. और यू कैन से द फूड पॉइजनिंग, और बहुत ओवर ईटिंग कर लिया है आपने, स्पाइसी फूड, जंक फूड आपने खाया है. सो दीज आर द रीजन्स ऑफ indigestion. Fine. So these were the disorders of digestive system. First one is the inflammation, means the pain, swelling or redness in the intestine, or even the ulcer formation in the intestine, and reason for the inflammation is the bacterial infection or the viral infection or the infections due to various parasites of the intestine, tapeworms or the roundworms, threadworms, etc. Fine. In case of jaundice, the organ affected is liver, and what happens during jaundice? Bile pigments get deposit. Fine. As a result, skin and eyes turn yellow. Vomiting is the ejection of contents of the stomach through the mouth, and this is a reflex action controlled by a vomiting center in medulla oblongata, and feeling of nausea precedes vomiting. Fine. In case of diarrhea, what happens? Absorption of the food get reduces. As a result, abnormal bowel movement will be there. Along with that, liquidity of the fecal discharge will also increased. Fine. Next is the constipation. In case of constipation, feces will be retained within the colon, and again irregular bowel movement will takes place. Last is indigestion, when food is not properly digested. Fine. Leading to a feeling of fullness, and the causes of indigestion are spicy food, overeating, food poisoning, anxiety, or inadequate enzymatic secretion. Okay. So this was all about the disorders of digestive system.